sketchiest thing I've ever seen, though.
Not sketch at all.
Hey, Curious Dude here with an update on Van Gogh. It's been a while, so I thought I'd show you what I've been up to here the last month. Let's take a look. As you can see, that's happened. Engine is out, gas fuel tank out, and we've done a little bit of cleaning in the engine compartment. So let's take a look at how our first engine pull from Van Gogh went. Okay, so here's the 1800 engine, and you've seen it in some other videos, but other than giving it a wash, it's very much original from what I can tell. We had to take off the air pump assembly, obviously, to get it removed, but you can see some cool factory markings. So there's some, what is that, 315 painted on the engine tin. A little bit of rust down here on the back engine tin, but you know what, like, it's I'm sure or quite certain that's all original fuel lines. Yeah, everything. This tin here had a little bit of rust on it, but it's all surface. So still trying to decide how much restoration we'll do on the engine as opposed to keeping it original and kind of Survivor the way it is. So yeah, it came out. You saw in the video how it came out. Engine compartment. A little bit of surface rust over there, but nothing scary. Everything unbolted the way it should. Nothing broke, nothing was rusted off. Had to take off the additional heater, which obviously for a Canadian car would be necessity. And so it's all here in a pile here. So a few pieces and parts that I have there. I'm not sure. That probably won't go back in, but I think the air pump assembly and that sort of stuff, I think I will put it back together. Gas tank, bit of an adventure there. It's out and it is like literally all rust and tar on the inside. I don't think it's savable, but I'll take it to a radiator shop. We'll get them to assess it themselves and let me know if it's worth it. If not, we'll order up a new tank and sender and all those good things there as well. So take a look underneath. Not a ton to see, but really pretty good shape. No scary rust anywhere really. Some surface rust everywhere. Not sure how to coat that to protect it, but if you do have an opinion on that, please comment down below. Some people have told me to maybe use fluid film or some sort of a wax-based surface protectant would be a good idea. So that's gives you a quick update on what's all been happening with Van Gogh. And probably next video, I think we'll be dealing with the fuel system. We're going to redo all the fuel system completely, every line, everything, carb rails get rebuilt. And yeah, I'm hoping that we can make that original engine work just the way it is. So thanks a lot for checking out my channel and for finding out more about what's going on with Van Gogh.